Hey everyone, welcome to the second module of this program on Python for space applications. And over here we are going to start with the coding part. And I just hope that you are going to code along with me because I've made sure that throughout this whole program, I'm going to write each and every code and show it to you how it's done. So just make sure that if you really want to make something out of this program, you are coding along with me. So now talking about what are the stuff that we are going to cover in this module, we are going to start by understanding what is Google Colab, and then how you can have Python commands, what are variables and constants, the basic data types that we are having in Python, what do we mean by f string, how do we use it, and when should we use it. Then along with that, what is this user inputs, and how you can convert in between data types, the data types that you learn over here, how you can convert between them. Then what is control flow in Python, what are functions, and also we'll be creating a Git repository for this program at the end of this particular module. So I hope you are as excited as I am to start with this particular module. So let's get into it.